guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen. And it's a beautiful Sunday morning here in South Carolina. It's actually Super Bowl Sunday. And it is very warm today. So today we're going to be making some buttermilk chocolate chip pancakes. What you're going to need is some Bisquick, some buttermilk, and remember, with the buttermilk, make sure you shake it up well, that way all the solids can get in it. I need a couple tablespoons of sugar, a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 egg beaten. Alright, what I've done is I'm preheating my griddle to 350, and I've sprayed it with some cooking spray. Alright, first thing I'm going to need a cup of Bisquick. I'll add a couple tablespoons of sugar. Maybe just one. It doesn't have to be real sweet because I'm adding chocolate chips to some of them. I don't want any chocolate chips on mine. I need enough. I'm sweet enough as it is. I need a cup of buttermilk. The egg. And a couple tablespoons of oil. Alright, let's mix this up. Let me move some of this out of the way. I don't use my griddle very often, so we had a heck of a time finding it. I keep it in my laundry room up above in a big cabinet. And, oh, also, you're going to need chocolate chips, but you're going to add them whenever you drop the pancakes down. Tony's a chocolate chip eater. And Lord, he likes syrup. I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're an old subscriber, if you're new here, take a look around. I do a lot of southern recipes. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And if you like what I'm doing, give me a big thumbs up. We're having maple sausage patties with this, but I almost burned them up because I forgot about them. Start straightening up. Waiting for the ready light. Who y'all's pulling for in the Super Bowl? I think I'm going to go for the 49ers. You're also going to need, whoops, a 1/4 cup measured, unless you got a way to, you want to do it another way, but that's what you can put down, about a 1/4 cup. These are just Toll House morsels, semi-sweet. Alright, it's ready. I don't want to make a whole lot, but I've got a use for it. For any left over, I've got a friend of mine for Christmas gave me a pigs in a blanket maker. What you're looking for is them to bubble up. Okay, he's getting 4. Let me get here. I don't have very much left. Well, I'm just not together with it today. Be right back, guys. Sorry. just waiting on to bubble up. I'm going to try. What I'm trying to do is I'm really going to go at this full time. And I'm going to try and give you a new video every week, every day of the weekday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Because I love doing this, and I need to get on it. We got some Hungry Jack here. Syrup I don't like. Now what I like is cane syrup. Whenever I was a little girl, we would go to cane grinding, and then they'd make the syrup at night. And that was so much fun. And it's hard. You can buy it over the counter, but it's not the same as whenever it was homemade. Wait a little bit longer. See how they're puffing up? But, alright, I'm going to wait till these puff up, and then I'm going to turn them, and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, I'm back. I don't make pancakes very often, as you can tell. I make the biggest mess. And I will also tell you, this is the first time I've ever made homemade pancakes. This one's going to be short and sweet, but that's all that matters. Whoops, that one's not quite ready. I was watching America's Test Kitchen one time, and they were talking about the best griddles and how they have a weak spot sometimes in the middle or a hot spot in the middle. Why do we do this? Why do we pat our pancakes? I hope everybody's doing well today. It's really warm here today. I'm gonna start getting these ready. Got some butter. You know, I don't know what difference in a short stack or a long stack or a tall stack or any kind of stack is, but these were stacks of pancakes, so there you go. Heck, I lost the butter on that one. I didn't even ask him if he wanted butter. He's getting it. Ah. Alright, let me go grab the sausage. My burn up sausage. Oh my God, me and this butter. My hands are clean. And like I said, this is Vermont maple sausage that I forgot on the stove. Which Tony likes them like this. See, look how burnt that is. I'm ashamed. But hey, I'm human. We burn things. Sometimes life takes over. Alright guys, I'm gonna let Tony put his own ketchup on. Ketchup. Don't y'all eat ketchup on your... Oh, come on. You know what? I mean, I think it's great, but sometimes I don't think about these things. So I didn't get things ready. But that's alright. I'm going to let Tony put his own syrup on. Because I just like the flavor of mine. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And share it out on your social media. Help my channel grow. Y'all have a good one. Breakfast is ready.